Hi, in this video I'll show how to use app for converting HTML tables into Excel format. For example, I have this Wikipedia page which is basically HTML table in it, and I want to have this HTML table to be converted into Excel, and I want specific columns to be converted, not all of them, but some of them. So to do this, I will do it with app, and I'll download app from this website. I will put link on the website into description. To find app, I'll click on search and type HTML, and I need this one, HTML table, and I click on HTML table to Excel and click on download to start the loading process and wait until archive will be downloaded on my computer. I will be recording more videos on HTML converters and other apps, so if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. You can see archive has been downloaded. I'll click on download archive, double click on MSI inside archive, click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes on the screen and click on finish on final screen. You can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now let's close this and we can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In first step I have to select HTML file. I can click to select input file and find HTML files in my documents if I want to, or I can add URL. If I add URL, I can copy this URL into my app and paste here. Click on add. You can see that it's processing. Click on next step. Here I can select columns I would like to import into Excel. So for example, I want to have column empire, maybe capital, maybe from to and duration years. Just for testing purposes, click on next step here and click on run on final screen. And it will ask me for a name and location of Excel file. This name and location is okay. Just click save. And you can see file has been saved. Let's go and see file. So I'll double click on it. I don't have Excel, but I have free version of Excel Mobile. It's like similar to Excel, but it's not allowing me to change anything but I will be able to see data imported. So you can see that it's imported all data nicely into Excel table. I have empire, I have capital, from, to, and duration in years. So it may import other tables because there are other tables on this page. You can see there is like 3 tables. It's probably different things. Oh, there are 2 tables in here on this page. Yeah, so I forgot to mention that if there is another table on this page, it will import it as well. So you will have like Excel with different spreadsheets in one workbook. I can easily just remove it if I want to remove, but I cannot into this Excel viewer because it does not allow me to do a lot. But if you have fully functional Excel, you will be able to remove just spreadsheets you don't want to. But basically we exported HTML table into Excel. We have our Excel file. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you.